Is Ready or Not failing to install on the Xbox app or Microsoft Store on your Windows PC? Does the download get stuck, show an error, stay at 0%, or refuse to start? This issue is usually caused by gaming services errors, Microsoft Store cache problems, Xbox app bugs, or Windows Update conflicts. In this video, I'll show you all the working fixes step by step to get Ready or Not installed and running properly on Windows 10 and Windows 11.